Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable the option to rename component files directly from the Feature Manager tree in SOLIDWORKS. If you have ever right-clicked the component expecting to find a rename option but couldn't see it, this video will help you fix that in just a few steps. So let's get started. Open a part. So right click on the part name, you will see an option of rename here, but when you click on it, you see the option to rename component files from the tree is currently off. So we have to enable it. For that, go to Tools, Options, and look for Feature Manager here. Click on it, and now look for Allow component files to be renamed from Feature Manager tree. Here it is, and click OK. Now right click on the part name again, rename, and let's rename it and now press enter to confirm the change. Okay, and that's how you enable the option to rename component files directly from the Feature Manager tree in SolidWorks. I hope this tutorial helped you. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more SolidWorks tutorials, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.